I'll cook on one side. I will turn it over for the other side to cook. Make sure everything in order. Hello, my name is Clyde. Welcome to the hills of Paramin, and today I would like to invite you all into my kitchen. Hello everyone, good day to all my friends again out there. Be safe. Uncle Clyde again in the kitchen today, and my menu today, I'll be making a steamed fish. And now this fish, I went on the rock and catch it for myself. I got a one-man team. I'll make a whole night on the rock. I am God. I always put God first. So I always been safe. So I'll making a steamed fish, as I say. So now I'll prepare my fish with the seasoning and put it to steam on my coal pot. Coal pot, most important. So I'll start by preparing my fish. When I come from the rock, I'll clean it out one time because this is fresh fish. One time I clean my fish for myself, I know what I'm doing. So I'll cut here for the seasoning to go through it. You need to put the seasoning through the cuts so you get a nice flavor when you're eating it. So I will start by putting the lime. Make sure the lime go through the cuts and these things. Inside the cut and in the belly. This is also lime from my tree. So now I'll add my salt and black pepper. Put a little salt, not too much. Make sure the salt go through the cuts and the black pepper. When I'm done, I spread a little bit all over and make sure I get it. I have chive, broadleaf, Spanish thyme, pimento, garlic, shadow benny. So this, when you put this on the fish, you have everything. You don't need to put anything else. Make sure the seasoning go through the cuts. That is very important. Just make sure it compact properly. So okay, now I'll wrap up my fish in the fig leaf and prepare it for the coal pot. Wood fire. So now my fish ready to go on the coal pot. So now you can see my fire light up. I'm ready to put my fish to steam. Everything in our order. The video will take time and cook. All the ingredients staying inside. So we now get, if it cook on one side, I will turn it over for the other side to cook. Make sure everything in our order. Okay, so now I will check my fish and see how we going on my coal pot. So this is about it here. So here now I will spread some fresh lime on it because fish is a very fresh thing. Not too much, just enough because not everybody likes too much of the lime, you know. That's about it here now. So we're ready to eat, ready to rumble.